Drawing up the bobbin thread. You can start sewing without drawing up the bobbin thread for models using this type of needle plate. However, you need to draw up the bobbin thread and follow instructions when sewing gathering stitches and smocking. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Take out the bobbin. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise. Hold the bobbin in place with your fingertips so it does not rotate. Guide the thread into the front notch of the bobbin holder. Pass the thread under the guide and pull it to the left. Pass the thread into the guide path marked 1. Make sure that the thread comes out from the side notch of the bobbin holder. Leave a 10 cm or 4-inch tail of bobbin thread. Insert the hook cover plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Hold the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Press the needle up-down button twice to lower and raise the needle. Pick up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads 10 cm or 4 inches under and behind the presser foot.